taking a peek at the key fob for the Nissan Kicks. The back side of the fob is a little release. I'll show you that one in a second. Front side is the Nissan badge. You've got remote start, lock, unlock, and then your horn or panic alarm button. So if the fob's ever died on you, you need to get inside the vehicle. All you're gonna do is get to that little emergency access key there, and then got your little keyhole there. You're just going to insert and twist in order to get inside. Now, you've heard beeping there, and that's because the car has a walkaway lock feature. So as long as the fob's on you, you start to walk away, it'll automatically lock the door. And as you approach, it'll unlock. But to use the fob, straightforward. So to remote start, just make sure you push the lock button once, circle button within a few seconds. See there, remote start is now going. In order to cancel remote start, push and hold that circle button again. And it's straightforward, so we're locked. And then as you approach, see there, the car is now unlocked. So in order to set that feature up, what you're gonna do, start, and while that's loading up, if you want walkthroughs, like you wanna know how to use the steering wheel buttons, use cruise control, go through the cluster or the infotainment, you'll find walkthroughs down in the description. But what you're gonna do, you're gonna use the pad on this side, so left side, in order to move into your vehicle settings. You're gonna hit OK, drop into your vehicle settings, and then go to locking. When you're in locking, you can see there, you've got a few options. So do you wanna get that beep when you go to lock the door? Do you wanna get your walk away lock? So as you go to walk away without locking the door, the car will automatically lock for you. And then do you want the vehicle to automatically unlock as you approach using the fob? And then you can get selective unlocks, so which doors become unlocked, and then a number of other features. But like I said, full walkthrough on this screen, you're gonna find down in the description of this video. But let's see you use the key fob inside of the Nissan Kicks.